Okay, I just found you another side hustle that has the potential to make you 2 to 3K a month passively. So easy to set up, you don't need any experience, and you can literally do it in your spare time. On Amazon.com, this person is selling this empty journal for $23 and have already sold 35,000 copies. Okay, let me help you do the math. That's over 800,000 in US dollars, just selling a blank book. Let me show you how you can do it too. Go to canva.com. In this search bar, type in journal. Once you've done that, you're gonna choose a template. Then from the template that you've chosen, you're gonna create a simple cover and also some white blank pages. And you can duplicate as many pages as you would like. And then you're just gonna download it to your desktop as a PDF. Go to kdp.amazon.com and Amazon will publish and print and also ship the product to your customer. Amazon does all the work for you, and all you have to do is just sit back and collect the profit. My #1 side hustle where you can make the most money from home. Follow and see the link in the profile.